Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Duyoga Prastio, student ID 2521106, TBIGB class. This video is extensive listening final exam. In this occasion, I wanna do presentation about one of the listening material that I often practice for my extensive listening. Okay, let's start the discussion. The first thing that will be discussed in this presentation is about title, link, and resource of the listening material. The first is title. The title is What is the Rarest Color in Nature by Victoria Huang. And the second is link. You can see this link below. And the third is resource of the listening material. I choose the TED education research because the research is very educative. Okay, the second thing is reason why I choose this video or this listening material. I think I choose this video because this video is interesting. Its content that was raised is very educative. In addition, the visual in the video are quite interactive, and there are new vocabs that I didn't know before, such as hue, spectrum, wavelength, and more. This adds to my vocabulary. Furthermore, the pronunciation in this video makes my skill of listening is enhanced. Next, the third thing is summary or content of the listening material. This video tells about many things, such as the factor that become the scarcity of color in nature, namely because of physics and evolution. It also explains how color is produced from the interaction of light waves and absorption. Furthermore, the rarest formed color in this video is violet. Okay, the fourth thing is about how the content relates to my daily lives. This content is related with my daily life because surely in everything consists color that become its characteristic. In addition, changed color is often seen in everything that happens in nature. Next, the fifth thing is how listening to the resource helps me in extensive listening. Surely, this resource helps me in extensive listening because I could find some new vocabularies there, some new words there. In addition, the native speaker really makes my listening skill well trained, even though it's very difficult. Audio in this sort is pretty good, so it helps my hearing more focused. Then these sorts also use creative visual that help me in understanding the material. The last thing that will be discussed in this presentation is about listening problems and reflection to solve the problems. The first is listening problem. I have many problems in listening, such as don't recognize the word that I know, then neglect the next part when thinking about meaning. Next, then miss the beginning of the text. And the last is unable to concentrate. And the second is reflection to solve the problems. I have problem solving, such as learn about vocabulary and pronunciation more, then listening English song and watching English movie more, and match the lyric or translation. And then the last is learn about ways to understand the language of the spoken words. Well, I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.